In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit OneDrive. Whether it's for saving resources on your desktop or laptop, or perhaps you're about to embark on some heavy lifting tasks that require a bit more CPU power, knowing how to pause or quit OneDrive can be quite handy. Exiting the application doesn't have to be complicated, and within the next few minutes, you'll have all the knowledge you need. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the OneDrive app on your computer. This might sound simple, but it's the cornerstone of the process. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll likely find OneDrive already installed and accessible through the system tray. You can also search for it in the Start menu. If you're on a Mac, you might have downloaded it from the App Store or directly from Microsoft's website. Once you've got the OneDrive app open, the next step is to dive into the settings. This is a crucial part of the process since the settings area allows you to manage all aspects of OneDrive's operation on your device. Depending on your operating system, you can access it by clicking the OneDrive icon in the system tray or the menu bar. A small pop-up window will appear, and there you should spot a gear icon or a similar symbol indicating settings. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the settings menu, what you're looking for is an option to pause or stop OneDrive from syncing. Syncing is how OneDrive keeps your files updated between your computer and the cloud, ensuring everything stays current no matter where you're accessing your files. By pausing syncing, you're essentially telling OneDrive to momentarily stop updating your files in the cloud or syncing any changes made locally until you choose to resume. Look for the option labeled Pause Syncing, often accompanied by a drop-down menu where you can select the duration to pause, be it for a few hours or longer. However, if your aim is to entirely quit OneDrive for the moment, locate the option that says Quit OneDrive. This action will close OneDrive completely and halt all syncing activities until you decide to manually reopen the app. Selecting Quit OneDrive might prompt a confirmation dialog box, and you'll need to confirm that you truly want to close it. Once confirmed, OneDrive will close, sitting quietly in the background until you decide you need it again. Remember, this step doesn't delete any files from your OneDrive cloud storage or your PC, it simply stops the syncing process temporarily. Your files remain exactly where you left them, both locally and in the cloud. If you frequently access files on multiple devices, keep in mind that pausing or stopping OneDrive means any changes you make won't be updated in the cloud or on other devices until syncing is resumed. Always ensure your important files are backed up securely, even beyond cloud storage, as an added precaution. And there you have it, you now know how to exit OneDrive seamlessly, whether you're pausing syncing temporarily or quitting the application altogether. The process is straightforward, and your files will remain safe and accessible whenever you're ready to resume.